My dear students, last class I have discussed about the levels of managements. So a little bit has left regarding the different functions of management that I'll discuss today. And last video you have seen the three levels of management, that is top level, middle level and lower level. And who are the people in the top level and who are the people in the middle level and lower level. As you can see the last diagram I have showed you, in top level the BODs, CEO, chairman, president; in middle level, finance manager, planning manager, and sales manager; in lower level, superior, foreman, and inspector, in such a way. So, what are the people in these three different level? What functions do they do? So, let us see today what are the different functions they are doing according to their levels of the working environments. So, I can show you here. As you can see, in top level the BODs and chairmen, what do they do? Develop long term planning. So first of all, the people those who are in the top level, they are doing some work which is different from the middle level and the lower level to some extent. So you can see here, develop long term planning. So the top level people are, or top level managements, they basically do the planning for long term, not the short term, but for a long period of time. Second one is framing of the policies. So according to the plan, the uh, top level managements, they do what, they are framing the policies, procedure, how to adopt that plan in the future course of time. Second one is, according to the policies, according to the procedure, they organize those ingredients, or they organize those things that are required to fulfill the plan that have been done. And lastly, they do the key appointments in the organizations. Key appointment means the major appointments in the organizations. That means you can say that the top level managers, then the top level people, those who will be in the say for example department manager, etc. In this way they are doing the major appointments in the organizations. So these are the some functions that are being performed by the top level managements. Next, the lower middle level managements. The people in middle level management have, as I have said, the different department heads like finance manager, planning manager, accounting manager, etc. In this way, so what they do, the first function, that is departmental objectives. Now we have seen in the top level managers, they are framing the objectives for the overall organizations. Now departmental managers or the departmental heads, they will means they will set the objectives for each department. Say for example, if it is a say finance manager, he will develop the objective for the finance departments. Secondly, assigned assignment of duties or assignment of duties. Now the second functions, according to the objective set by the departmental manager for their departments, they will assign the duties to the subordinates. Means under him, those who will be working, he will assign the various duties according to the plans and procedure or objective set for each departments. And thirdly, you can say link. So it is given here link. Link means, you can say, these middle level managers are linking the people between the top level and the lower level. So these are some of the functions done by the middle level managements. Thirdly, the super most lower level of the management is the lower level managements, or you can say there are various names such as operational level or platform area. Now what are the functions of this supervisor, foreman, inspector, or what functions they do perform in the lower level? Now first function is, you can see, link between middle level and workforce. Now these are the people, they are the lower hierarchy of the managements. Now they link between this middle level and the people those who will be below them, that is the workforce. So this lower level managements link the middle level managements with the workforce directly. So this is the major functions that are being performed by the lower level managements for the organizations. Next, number 2, maintenance of quality. See, whatever the planning or the objective set by the top level, which is being forwarded by a middle level to the lower level for doing the work, they do the work accordingly the terms and policies or the procedures set by the uh, middle level to the lower level and via lower level to the workforce. So they look after the quality of the works that are being done. They looks after the quality that are being done. Next, number 3 is act as a supervisor. So they act as a supervisor, means they supervise all the workforce and they look after the work that are being done by the people. Then lastly, they also look after the safety, discipline, training, etc., and develop in the safety of the organizations and develop an environment where the worker can work in a better way and perform their overall objectives of the organization. So these are the functions of the different levels of the people, those who are in the different levels of the management. Thank you.